Neroli essential oil. This is an amazing roll-on that's mixed with fractionated coconut oil. It actually takes 1 ton of blossoms just to make 1 kilogram of neroli oil. From Neroli, Italy, it was used by Napoleon Bonaparte and Marie Antoinette as perfume. It was used, in the marriage bed. They would put neroli flowers to help with fertility. And then, of course, women of the night used neroli oil to attract their clients. So the first thing that neroli is used for is loss of sexual arousal, impotence, erectile dysfunction, and frigidity. You want to rub it over the lower abdomen, and it helps with that. Chronic or stress-related nervous depression. You'll simply use it on the pulse points as perfume and rub it in. Elevated cortisol levels, and so high levels of stress. If you have an intense life, intense job, you'll want to use neroli a lot to keep the depression and keep your emotions in check. It's also wonderful for tension headaches. You can simply roll it on the forehead, the temples, behind the ears, and the back of the neck to help relieve any kind of tension. Again, the flowers, the petals are wonderful for skin. So if you're looking at dry, wrinkled, or any type of damaged skin, just rub the essential oil over that, and it helps to moisturize and helps to keep it young looking. Childbirth and pregnancy. You'll see that the flowers or the blooms are really powerful during intense times of emotion. So, you'll see roses and petals a lot at weddings and funerals. So think of those times in your life when there's intense amount of emotion. Of course, any type of childbirth is going to be intense emotion. That's when you're going to want to use the neroli. Heart palpitations, high blood pressure, and seizures. Just keep it as close to the head and the heart as possible. So basically from here on up. Menopause and chronic insomnia, PMS, estrogen. When we're looking at the menstrual cycle, most of the female organs use lower abdomen or low back. And hysteria, panic, grief, shock, irritation, or anger. You can simply rub it over the nose or just inhale. Again, extreme moments of emotion this oil is wonderful for. Cramping in the abdominal, like colitis, diarrhea, food poisoning. If you have dark spots, this will help with hyperpigmentation, melasma due to pregnancy, any type of wound disinfectant, athlete's foot, ringworm, painful tetanus injection sites, and of course perfume, deodorizer, and room freshener. Neroli essential oil.